Hello everyone, this is Matthew Beard at Cross Chrysler Jeep. We just got in this 2017 Mustang GT. It's a really clean car with a bunch of really nice upgrades. Underneath the hood here, someone spent a pretty penny and put in a Stage 2 Procharger kit with an upgraded P1X Head Unit. We've also got a oil catch can here. Very important when you got a boosted motor so you don't get all that oil going into your intake. So very clean setup underneath the hood. If you take a look at the front of the car, you see the large intercooler, raises almost top to bottom in this car. Make sure you get the air charge down on that boost. As you walk around the car here, you're going to notice it is lowered. It's got Steeda and Ford Performance lowering kit and pieces. Right now we're sitting on 19-inch Avant-Garde wheels wrapped in Nittos. You got 275s in the front. You can also notice it has the big Brembo kit on there. You got some carbon fiber accents, blacked out decals. Inside is really nice, even though it is a base car. The guy before actually upgraded and put leather Recaro seats in the front. So really nice, really comfy seat, especially to get some track time in. He's also upgraded the steering wheel to a GT350 steering wheel. It's also got a built-in K40 radar system tucked in with navigation and a Kenwood doubled-in unit. Really slick body lines on here. You've got 305 series tires in the back, trying to help get some of that power to ground. When I say power, I mean power. This has 700 wheel horsepower, tuned by Ken. It's at Palm Beach dyno. It sounds really good as you heard when we first started the car up. One thing you'll notice is the carbon fiber accent spoiler, but underneath it has a full American Racing long tube headers into competition series MagnaFlow pipes. Really mean sound, really low grumble. If you have any more questions about the car, want to come in for a test drive, give us a call at 502-459-9900.